65cc. On the starting grid, allow me to do a rundown. We have mixed Tabausares in no particular order, followed by Bilyote, Fagarita, Aguero, Sumande, Caldea, Buok, Munsod, Chavez, Olanda, Gallica, Fabian, Pabora, Bayancaflor. Eto na! Binitiwan na 65cc category for the third Attorney Steven Palmares Motocross Competition 2025. Welcome to Pasig City. Eto na. Sino yung naka-white bike? That's our leader. Aguero second down. Ako. Just to let you know guys, Aguero, I think, kung hindi ako nagkakamali, the only lady rider on the grid. 65cc, majority of these riders, puro to mga lalaki. But we are now seeing from Guimaras, champion of 65cc, EJ Kulot Aguero. Let's see. Earlier on the first lap, we are seeing the white bike on the first position. Here we go. Sino kaya to? From Luzon. Followed by EJ Kulot Aguero of Guimaras. Let's have a look kung sino yung leader natin.
Chavez on 6. And Chavez Sumande.
I think on the screen right now, that's Kulot Aguero. Riders for this category is 11-year-old and below. Come to think of this, guys, 11-year-old, all of these riders, or most of them, clearing those giant jumps dito sa napakagandang racetrack ng Pasig City. There you go. 1, 2, 3 riders natin, including 4th rider, clearing those big jumps dito sa finish line. Gee, everyone is clearing those big jumps. Halimaw po ang mga 65cc riders natin. Few riders lang yung hindi nakaka-clear. Most of the... We are seeing a yellow flag. Hopefully, hindi na puruhan. Still, leading pa rin po on the white bike. I think this is coming from Luzon, followed by Guimaras rider, taking that inner line. Bakit kaya hindi ko muna outer? For more momentum, si EJ Kulot Aguero. Hanep, umiendo. Very scary, umiendo to mga batang to. Remember guys, 65cc is 11-year-old and below. Is this Dylan Fabian from the stable of Mangosong, currently on the lead, followed by EJ Kulot of Guimaras Aguero. There you go. I think that's Dylan Fabian. Second, Aguero of Guimaras. Third, number 8. Sino to? Let's have a look. I think Bilyote. Kung hindi ako nagkakamali, I think this is Bilyote. Another one or another rider from Guimaras. On the screen right now, these are our mid-pack riders. Let's have a rundown. We have mixed Tabausares, Bilyote, Fagareta, Aguero, Sumande, Caldea, Buok, Munsod, Chavez, Olanda, Gicale, Fabian, Pabora, and Bayancaflor. Kakatawid lang, mixed Tabausares, number 22, I think, coming from Dumangas, graduating from 50cc. Not a bad run for mixed Tabausares on the 65cc. Kakagraduate lang po nito. Suki po siya ng mga podium finish sa 50cc along with Kaloy Biboso. In fact, I think overall champion siya last year. Right now, debut niya for this season or third round dito sa Panay Motocross sa Iloilo. We're now entering our last lap. White flag is waving. There you go. 1, 2, 3 riders natin. Fabian, Aguero, Rael Book. I think Book is from Negros.
So, apart,
If I'm not mistaken, Negros or Cebu.
so we will wait.
Great job for our organizer inviting our top caliber riders coming from all over the Philippines.
Here.
So, yung mga Karatig Island natin, Guimaras, Negros, Cebu, thank you very much. Welcome to Pasay City. Again, guys, welcome to third Steven, Attorney Steven Palmares Motocross Competition 2005.
What a nice stop on shot. Woo! That's it, guys.
White flag pa rin po.
What a nice
Eto
ride
na.
by Rael Book.
Dylan Fabian, meron battle. Sino yun? Roller section.
Maganda ka.
Ay! Naku, nagkadikitan pa. Ang lulipit ng mga batang to. Walang takot. Tumayo agad.
Si Rael, nakarecover si Rael. Alright.
11-year-old
It's a screen.
can hold their own. Checkered flag na po tayo. Checkered flag na po tayo. If I'm not mistaken, Dylan Fabian took the checkered flag followed by EJ Colot Aujero.
Yan talaga sa magandang firm, no? Yan talaga magbigayan yung mga rider, guys, no?